What will happen if you are going to combine? You will get the universal set. Actually, this looks like very simple, but later on, the sets has got some relation with probability. Correct? Probability where you will think like binomial. So it's like passing, and passing opposite is what? Failing. So if somebody is writing an examination, it's passing and failing. So chance of passing and chance of failing are exact opposite. Together is going to give you some 100%. I mean, these things, these identities will play a role there. If you are going to think it as 2. So what will happen if you are going to take A intersection this? It's going to be, because there is nothing common between A and other than A. So A union B, the whole complement, so these are called as actually De Morgan's laws. So one way is we can go by diagrammatic, the other way is we can actually by arguments itself we can give that. Okay, whenever you use a complement, you need a what? Universal set, right? So let me try to do diagrammatically, try to give the proof. You have suppose A and B, right? This is A, this fellow is B. So let me do the first one. A union B complement. So what do you mean by A union B complement? Let me write the A fellow and B fellow inside. So that means outside this we can show by shading. There is one way of showing because we don't have elements and all. So generic. So outside this circles together, but inside the container. So A and B combines outside, but inside the container. This is A union B. So this is A union B whole dash. So now on the right hand side you have A dash intersection B dash. So let me draw this A dash fellow. A dash fellow is what? So you have to concentrate only on A and then shade outside. So don't ever think of B. This is the A dash. That means this A dash will even go inside B, because it should be outside A and inside the container. So don't look at B. So priority is only A. Then if you are going for B dash, so B dash means you should concentrate on outside B, right? But within the container. This is your B dash. We want A dash intersection B dash. So what do you mean by A dash intersection B dash? It's common to, so common to this. So what is common? So this is actually, you can see like these two are sets actually. A dash is a set, B dash is a set. Now it is a diagrammatic representation. What is common to the shaded regions? So you can see that this part within B is not coming here. This part within A only is not coming. A only is shaded here but not here. But you see that both, and obviously the common fellow is not shaded in both the cases. What is commonly shaded in both the cases? It is outside So this is your A dash intersection. Similarly, we can draw Venn diagrams to prove the other laws also. But the point is, I said this can be done by argument also. Just an argument. How? Other than A or B. Correct? The elements other than A or elements other than set A or set B. Are you able to understand? So it's like you think this way: elements other than A or other than. So this is equivalent to saying elements neither A, right, nor, you agree? In fact, see, it's like other than A or B, like that. Elements other than A or B, elements neither in A nor in. Is it correct or not? See, A or B together, you are taking the other. That means it is neither belongs to A nor. When you say neither nor means you are neither A nor B means you are taking that and. Neither A and neither B. That's the meaning. So you can realize like that. The same thing you can realize this statement also. So this is called De Morgan's law property.